Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO A54 5G, and today I will show you how you can switch on this device. So all you have to do, find power key it's on the right edge, and you have to click and hold this power key. Let's make it. Okay. Sorry guys for that. Let's make it another time. And after a few moments our device will be turned on, so we have to be patient. And as you can see right now, we can easily use our device. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.